All right, we're going to dinner now. So he did a really, really good job today. We're going to meet his dad for dinner. Where's your dad? Thank you, thank you. Everybody, I want to vlog more. That's my godson Nathan that I love. I want to vlog more with small cameras like this. So this is the DJI Osmo Action camera with a little cold shoe mount here and then Synovia audio adapter on the side. But here's the thing. I looked at a few market options for a wireless mic system for a small camera. Before this, can you hold the camera, please? I had and I just sold it last week, the Sony A63 camera. Literally on top of it, I had this little triangular black mirror contraption that allowed me to see the back screen because the screen only went back, but it didn't flip around. It was supposed to be like a vlogging camera, but it was massive. It's absolutely massive. So I thought, okay, I'm not able to show people what I want to do. I need something that's going to fit in the back of my pocket or in my front pocket. So it just fits right in my pocket. Done. You don't know that I'm vlogging. I can walk away. I can walk whichever way. I'm still vlogging. I mean, I can pull my camera out wherever, get some video, put it right back in my pocket. I couldn't do that with my own Sony a6300. Thank you. I know that there's a lot of videos on YouTube that talk about the stats of this thing, but I just want to show you real world usage on how it can be used. But I also wanted something powerful. I think the best way to explain how powerful this is to move away from my iPhone, keep talking, and you get to see how powerful this is. I'm moving far away from my camera. This is good. This is as far as I would really need to move, but I'm pretty convinced you can go all the way back. So here I am, about 5 feet from the iPhone.
No, that's like 4.
Here I am about 4 feet from come with me, about 4 feet. Now we're gonna go back about maybe a few more feet. Can we say like 10? Maybe 10 feet? Can you hear us? This is the difference between an iPhone audio and the DJI. Keep talking and you get to see how powerful this is. Let's go back maybe 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Twice as strong as the Rode mic. That's pretty great. How is this audio? So the other thing that I was looking for is, okay, I got now a camera that fits in my pocket. I needed something that came with maybe some wind coverage. So they come with 2 of them, and each one comes with a little bit of a wind muff, dead squirrel, dead cat, whatever they call it. People call it different things. But that's not enough, because here's the thing. Sometimes the death of me is literally the death of my battery on the camera. Sometimes I'll be out somewhere, I'm like, oh my God, I forgot to pick up batteries, and I can't do it because there's nothing to charge to. That's where the DJI carrying case came. It reminds me a lot of the AirPods. So what happens is, you get inside. Now, obviously I'm using one right there. It comes with a second one. So if you are looking at maybe interviewing somebody, the second one is incredible. It comes with adapters. So I've got a USB-C right there. I've got an iPhone adapter, but obviously you can't see that because the transmitter is on my iPhone right now. And then it also comes with a cold shoe mount too. So you could put this into any single camera. But that's not even the most magical part. The most magical part is it's self-charging. So supposedly it can give you 15 hours of charging. I wanted something that was going to be affordable, because if I'm going to get 2 mics, if I'm going to get the wind blockers, the little fuzzy dead cat, dead squirrel things, if I'm going to get really, really amazing coverage, I can go all the way there. If I'm going to get a mic system that is really amazing and can work with almost virtually any camera that I have, it's got to cost a lot. With tax and everything, this was $339, which to some people might seem like a lot, but for what you're getting, it's actually very, very affordable. If you're interviewing one person, a second person in your crew could actually take this, because there is a memory thing there, almost like an SD card inside each one of these. So you can hit the record button here on the side. You hit the record button. You can actually use this to get sound effects. It doesn't need to communicate with a camera. For anybody that wants to do YouTube videos, that wants to do videography, that has clients, this is the mic system that you need. If you want it, by the way, I have the Amazon link down below. Yes, I have an Amazon affiliate section, so if you buy one, I might make about $1.50 or $2 out of this, but you don't even have to use that. This is a DJI microphone system. By the way, watch this video. It's gonna help you out a lot with your business.